Frames or groups? What kind of designer are you? Or let me rephrase this a little better. Frames or groups? It tells us whether or not you're a designer. Relax, relax. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Am I? If you're new to Figma or you're coming from another design tool, you might be wondering what the difference is between frames and groups, as it's a never ending discussion. Frames and groups are both ways to organize your layers inside of Figma, but they're quite different. Groups are simply a way to group layers together so you can move them around and manage them as a single unit. They don't have any special properties and they do not affect your design layout in any way. Frames, on the other hand, are more powerful and have a number of special properties such as auto layouts, constraints, layer grids, and a lot more. And they can also be used to create complex and responsive designs. On your next project, if you're not sure whether to use frames or groups, it is best to stay on the side of caution and use a frame. Frames are more powerful and versatile, and if I'm being honest, it's the preferred way to organize your layers inside of Figma. You're welcome.